clients bought an antique flag, and normally when you have an antique flag, it's all beaten up. But this flag, for 50 years, has never been out of this box. And we're gonna get into this in some detail. It has these amazing instructions about how to handle a flag, and it's a little punitive. No excuse for neglected phrase. So if the flag phrase, you don't fix it, someone from the Bulldog Cotton Flag Company will track us down. But anyway, we're gonna probably post all this writing because it's really fascinating. And this one tells you how to salute and who can salute and who shouldn't salute. Apparently Boy Scouts can salute. I don't think little girls were allowed to salute back then. I don't know if they were Girl Scouts. We'll do some research. Anyway, but the remarkable thing is, we're going to look at the flag now. It is literally like new. When they first opened it up, I said, this isn't an antique. But it has never been flown. It has never been out of the box. This is going to be an interesting project, and hopefully it goes well, and we're going to show you the whole process. Finally starting on this really beautiful vintage flag. And what you can see is I've got 2 1/4-20 brass bolts going through the grommets, which would begin to hold this side nice and steady and sturdy and everything. The problem is, you'll notice this doesn't quite want to lie flat. Now, what I could have done was, when I put these in, I could have pulled them farther apart and stretched this out. But then you begin to see the problem that creates. If I stretch this anymore, I won't be able to get this curve out. So we'll see how it goes from here. The next step is to put a straight edge here and stitch this down as straight as possible. And then we'll see how the rest of it just kind of wants to hang. All right, guys, more later. Okay, so it's been stitched down, and this is as square as you can possibly get this flag. So the frame's all built, and then what I do is I just put the frame on top of the oversized board that it's stitched onto, and just kind of eye it in and see what looks good. And I think this is going to do it. So the next step is I mark all the corners, and then I trim to those crop marks, and it should fit right in the frame. The strainer back is built. It looks beautiful. And if we come over here, we had to leave room for our little bolts that go through the grommets on the flag, and I think this is going to be awesome. So right up against this edge and straight down. There we go. Straight. Oh, it's nice having the second set of hands to do this with the This is for negative.
The big pig in the middle there. Yeah.
Is that something in another word?
Yeah.
And then we're going to turn it over and look for dust. And then we start lifting the frame off without turning the whole thing over again.
You got this is okay.
To do this without a strainer back is not practice. Oh, that's nice, huh? back of it with the cleat Z-bar hanging system installed. It has the Lineco aluminum sealing tape sealing the back. And we're going to show it to you turned over next. Hey guys, the flag is finally done, and thank you to these wonderful clients for being so patient. And once again, I think they're going to be very happy.